Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you just starting your gym journey, feeling a bit lost or unsure where to begin? Don't worry, I've got your back. In today's video, I'm going to share essential advice for beginner gym goers that will set you on the right path to achieving your fitness goals. So let's dive right in. First things first, set your fitness goal. Why are you hitting the gym? Is it to lose weight, gain muscle, or just stay fit? Whatever it is, having a clear goal keeps you motivated. Remember, it's not just about following your friends to the gym, it's about your personal journey. So write down your goal and keep it visible as a constant reminder of why you're doing this. Next up, be prepared to endure some pain. Let's face it, the first week at the gym can be tough, but pain is part of the process. Push through it, because once you do, you'll find that the pain becomes a badge of honor. It's your body's way of saying, I'm getting stronger. Now let's talk about regularity. Consistency is key in any fitness journey. Create a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's 3 times a week or every day, stick to your routine. This will help build discipline and ensure you see progress over time. A structured weekly workout routine is essential. For example, dedicate certain days to specific body parts, like biceps and back on one day, chest and triceps on another. This ensures balanced muscle development and prevents overtraining any single group. Never skip your warm-up and warm down. Warming up prepares your body for the workout, reducing the risk of injury. And warming down helps your muscles recover and prevents stiffness. It's a small step that makes a big difference. When it comes to lifting weights, start light and gradually increase. Lifting too heavy too soon can lead to injury. Focus on form and control first. As you build strength, you can increase the weight to challenge your muscles. What's the best time to work out? Morning, afternoon, or night? All are good, depending on your schedule. The key is to be consistent. Find a time that works for you and stick to it. Protein is your best friend when it comes to muscle growth. Make sure you're getting enough through your diet. If needed, supplements can help fill the gap, but always prioritize natural sources first. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Your body needs time to recover and build muscle. Incorporate rest days into your routine and make sure you're getting enough sleep. Working out with a partner can boost your motivation and keep you accountable. Plus, it makes the gym more fun. Also, be ready to make some lifestyle changes. Healthy eating, quitting bad habits like smoking, and getting enough rest are crucial for long-term success. Your diet plays a massive role in your fitness journey. Create a sustainable diet plan that supports your goals, whether it's weight loss or muscle gain. We'll dive deeper into this in future videos, so stay tuned. That's it for today's video. If you're a beginner, these tips will be your gym guide. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick with it, and you'll see amazing results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more fitness advice, and share it with your friends. See you next time, and stay strong.